I dey salute you. How una dey? How una week go? Me, I dey well here. The only matter be say cool don start for dis place. Oh, cool don start. But the only thing wey make my belle sweet be say dem don tell me say the cool wey dey here no reach the one wey dey for where I come from. So na the only thing wey dey sweet my belle. Say snow no go plenty and e no go start quick, but the weather don change. Na so we go dey wear sweater up and down, coat upon coat, layer upon layer of cloth, make we for dey warm. Anyway, before I even start one long story, make I tell you now, you see dis oyinbo people wey wey dey do like say dem no dey see person. No be im day before yesterday I dey waka come home. Now why I dey waka, dis place wey I tell una say I move come, so e dey near water side. If you stay for that water side, then you go dey see America and the town there. You fit even see people sef if you look well. So I like to waka for that water front. Anyway, the place dey peaceful, so I dey waka plenty up and down, up and down. And when I dey waka for dis my area, e no go be like say anybody dey see you. Everybody dey inside house. You go hardly see anybody for road pass people wey dey walk their dog or dey jog, dey do exercise. No be as I dey come home, dis woman, she dey about 4 houses away from me. She come stop me, say she don dey see me dey waka almost every day. Say she tell herself say one day she go comot when I pass, make she for greet me. And I look the thing, I look everywhere, I no see anybody outside. How dis woman dey see? Curtains dey closed. How dem dey see person dey waka? No be only that one she talk o. She talk say she don even see my 2 boys. I say sure. Dis woman don even already know say I get 2 boys. She don dey see them. So how many people dey dis our street wey dey look through their window every day, dey see how person dey waka up and down? Dis oyibo people, person go fear them small o. Their gulma plenty. Talking about oyinbos, I meet one lady. I don dey see dis woman like 3 times or 4 times, but as we dey wear mask, you know say dem no go dey see your face pass to see the upper half. Dem go say okay, dis person na black person. Alright. Na im one day we jam, I no wear mask. Dis woman run come meet me. Wetin she go tell me? Hey, black man don say something. She say she never see black person before. So as I comot the mask for my face, na im she dey first see black person close by. I say, which kind talk be that? For dis country wey we dey? She say she just come. Say she come from Serbia. Say the town wey she dey, dem no get black people. So she no get opportunity meet any black person. Say na as she dey see me, na im she say at last o, she go meet black person o, make she see how black people be, make she hear how dem dey talk. I say na wa for dis life o. Nothing wey person no go see for dis color wey we carry for body. Na new thing we go just dey hear from different people every day. Say dem never see black person for dis 21st century. And e go dey surprise us, abi? Say people still dey for dis world wey dem never see black person before. Anyway, I'm not surprised because 2012 I go China with my pikin. Na so we turn cinema o. We go Wall of China. You see all these Chinese people wey dem dey bring from village inside bus, make dem come see their history. No be so dem gather us, say make dem take photo. We turn cinema for there o. Dem never see black person o. And unfortunately for us that day, na only me and my pikin no follow me. Na only me be black person there. Na so I take photo tire. I no know wetin dem go dey tell their people when dem reach their village o. Say dem see strange human being, and una know say I tall abi, so I no be average height of women, and I come tall and I come black, I come dey among Chinese people wey dem na my waist many of dem reach sef. Kai, anyway, I just say make I tell una dis small gist, and you know say when story too long people no go like to watch, so make I cut dis story short now, make I dey go. I go come back again I go come gist una another thing. Make una just take dis small one, make una take laugh small, make una belle sweet. And like I say the last time, make una dey careful wetin una dey hear, make una try to dey hear good things. If anybody send una bad bad tori for WhatsApp anything, make una just delete am. Make una tell una sef say dis my mind and my brain and my body must rest from bad news, and bad thing no go follow us finish dis year, and e no go follow us enter next year by the grace of God. So make una dey well. Bye.